Hi, I'm Jared Wojtowicz, an automation engineer here with Minuteman Empire Automation Systems. Today, we're going to be doing a basic overview of the Zebra 4Sight EV7. The EV7 is an industrial computer built for multi-camera machine vision applications that can be deployed on the factory floor. The system incorporates a 12th Gen 12-core Intel Core processor for accelerated deep learning inferencing as well as prediction. As you can see, the EV7 incorporates a fanless design, which has a couple of benefits. The first being reduced maintenance, and the second being an overall reduced operational noise level. The 4Sight has roughly a 10-inch by 6-inch by 3-inch footprint as well. So on the front panel, we have a bunch of different ports. Over here, we have 4 PoE ports, power over Ethernet ports, that can support 2.5 gigabit GigE vision. We also have 4 USB 3 vision ports, as well as a couple of networking ports if you want to connect the system to your network. That is attainable. We also have a couple of additional USB ports for connecting a mouse or a keyboard, as well as a few different display ports if you wanted to connect the device to a monitor. Flipping the system around here, we have 8 digital inputs, 8 digital outputs, as well as a couple of RS-232 ports for serial communication or encoder inputs. Over here we have our power port. The system does run off of 24 volts and consumes a maximum of 6.3 amps. A great thing about this system is that it is camera agnostic, meaning that as long as you have a GigE camera or a USB 3 vision camera, the system doesn't care. It essentially just wants the image to process. In terms of image processing, the 4Sight EV7 does support 2 different types of softwares. The first being Zebra Aurora Design Assistant. That is formerly known as Matrox Design Assistant, which is a flowchart-based machine vision software. It also runs Zebra Aurora Imaging Library, formerly known as Matrox Imaging Library, which is more of a structured text-based software. So this concludes the basic overview of the Zebra 4Sight EV7. Be sure to subscribe, as well as check the link in the description down below for more Zebra-related content, as well as other technologies that Minuteman Empire Automation Systems supports. Thank you.